Sometimes we think we're building a business, but God is building a road for love to find its way home. Massachusetts was cold, but my dream burned bright. By day I was a college student, by night I drove a taxi. Every dollar I earned already belonged to my mother, and me settled back home in Les Cayes. Her fabric shop needed new merchandise. Years before, Papi Dodo in me settled made a 12-year-old boy's dream of studying in Paris come true. So I gave me settled all my savings to grow her business.
Love stronger than fear.
When the whole world says
don't go,
love still finds a way.
Love stronger than fear.
Across the ocean,
Through the unknown, love always finds its way home.
Whoa. Mammy, you're owner of the flirt in my bus. Heard what I had done for me settled. She smiled, Pierre Richard, I know the right driver. I went to Port-au-Prince to Automaker, made the down payment and financed the brand new Isuzu NPR. Eugene took the wheel, week after week he hauled goods between Les Cayes and here I go on, bringing every earning to my mother. Soon the truck paid for itself and every profit helped build hotel to Mary Ann on the land.
My mother and I
But together
in sharpened tears.
then my father said, turn the truck into a passenger bus like my Carmel John bus. Then he smiled, I had a dream.
Your bus must be called
Perpetual school.
I accepted the name.
There was no internet, no cell phones while running the bus in the hotel business. Instead they go and overseas calls rarely worked. I lost contact with my wife, Bridget, in Lynn, Massachusetts. Unable to reach me, Bridget decided to travel to Haiti
With our two sons,
Serge and Bertrand. Everyone warned her,
don't go to Haiti.
even the Haitian consulate told her not to go.
Line up,
My brother-in-law begged,
please don't go.
but love was stronger than fear. Bridget, from Cameroon, boarded a plane alone with our two boys. Hey! December 23rd, Port-au-Prince, Boulevard La Saline, an African woman alone with two little boys took a taxi to the Les Cayes bus station. She arrived too late, only one bus remained. Perpetual Sequoia. So you listening? The only and last bus going to Les Cayes.
Perpetual Sequoia.
Every seat was sold, she knew no one, she had no way to reach us. Then God sent my cousin,
Jacques Asia,
he saw a woman
in tradition African clothing.
holding two boys, he had never met Bridget, but recognized
Serge and Bertrand,
from an earlier trip. He told the driver
this is Pierre Richard's family.
the front seats had already been sold. The driver refunded, two passengers opened the door and seated Bridget, Serge,
And Bertrand beside him.
Perpetual Sequoia.
Perpetual Sequoia.
My boss, Perpetual Sequoia.
Perpetual Sequoia.
My boss carried my family home to Les Cayes around 7:30 that evening. children are here. I turned. There stood Bridget. There stood Serge. There stood Bertrand. The greatest Christmas gift of my life. Thank you! Mamicelo!
Mamicelo,
Papidono!
Mamiola,
Mamiona!
Eugene,
My truck driver!
Gazon,
My bus driver!
Chaposejo,
Our hero!
and Bridget.
For your beautiful heart and unconditional love. Looking back, it was never about the truck, never about the bus.
Never about the money.
It was always about true love. Every village has a song, every family has a story, every creator deserves to be heard. If your heart has a melody, share it with the world at timtim.live. Love is stronger than fear.